Hello, in previous video we have made the logic of this, and this video we will make all these 4 functions. We have made only 2 functions for this much buttons, for we have to make this button single function. Let's make for this. Here let's start for button clear. We have to make same thing here. And if this is not, we will make this simple number is equal to null, and we will make here this. We don't need to paste this. And if this is null and we have anything in this equation, and we will clear that also here. And here else equation is equal to, we will make null and pass this here. Let's make this module. Suppose I have this, if I clear, sorry again that we would do mistake, and this time I have not by, sorry, where is that, I am not done by none, because I am doing this unknown in this series, in this video, but previously I have done by none, so you could remember this. Here it should clear. Yes, now I have like this and this. First of all I have cleared this, and I can clear this. Now it has been cleared. In now we have to make back button back. This go back, click here. Here same thing will be done here. And here I should pass number equal to number, and I should pass up to -1, and I should configure this as, here we have this here and this. Else if there is, again I will make clear above also. I'll make equation is equal to equation, and I will pass up to -1, and let's, where is call, and I will pass this here, and let's make this equation. Let's save it and run it. If we get, sorry, we have to make some changes here. Change this button to what that we may have here as here. Let's make command is equal to lambda, and paste it. Now I have this, I should get this. Yes, now suppose I have, and multiply this, and I will clear this like this simply, and we can clear one by one also. And let's we will make this code here. We will use sign for only this number text, and here define button sign underscore click. Here we have to pass same thing here and copy this so that we not to type things. Here simply if, here this should be like this. If I have to pass, what I have to pass, number, we don't need this here because we are not concerned with this number, and we are making up to first position. Double is equal to, if this is minus sign, then we have to do something like this. Number is equal to, if this button is click, we should make this positive, so we have to remove this. Number is equal to number, and we should make from first position to last position, and I will simply make this. Else if it is not, then we will make this like this. Number is equal to, I will add this sign here, plus number, and this is again we have to make this label here and paste it. We don't need anything as this because we are not concerning with the equation. Now suppose I have 88, so I should get minus here, and let's make the command first of all. For that minus or plus is, yes, now it is working here. Now it is minus, and it will remove, add, remove, add, remove. Now we have to square this, only this number, and place here. Button square clicked. Now we are in that position. We have finished all the button underscore sqr underscore click. Then we will define some variable here. Here we need only this thing, two thing here, and I will make there if button number doesn't equal to, and I will set number is equal to simply number and power 2. Here I will pass this str, and this is int, and this is the end of int, and this is the end of strings. We are making this string, so we have to concatenate it with this, so we have to make this here. Now we have to make this here. It is the result of this text. It is itself a result. We don't need anything there in the above. And now let's run, and we have, I think we have finished all the buttons and all the concept we need, because you may not got such video. I will show you what you will not get in others tutorial, what you will get in this tutorial. So I have made this because I think it is really needed here. when you will see the others tutorial, they will make 8 8 8 and multiply, and when they will plus it, it will make here another sign, multiply and plus both of them. That will make your equation ridiculous and it will not give your calculation right. Now I can change this sign easily, but they will not show how will you change this. Now when I will make, and another thing, they will not show you backspace of this above side, and they maximum will not show this two screen what we are doing. This is the main disadvantage that other people does in the tutorial. They simply does 66 into, if we press this and if we press plus, this will get the answer, and that answer will be plus again, but if they need to minus, they could not minus that. That is the video, and in this video let's check all the function. Let's make 1.2 into 3 is equal to, it is giving, now I can plus, but it is not giving me plus sign because not a float. I should make this as a string, and let's where that equal sign is pressed here, and I have to pass this str. Now it should not give me any error. Now suppose 88 multiply by 3.2 and it should give me answer. This is giving me more number. You can remove this easily by fixing the point here, how many point you need, and this is giving 0 0 0, and 4 is the constant for us because 4 0 can be assigned at last, and if I press multiply, it is multiplying with 2. Yes, this is not 1, it is 1 means it will only print 1 after this. This is how this calculator. Let's check all function if it is working or not. Plus, now I will change this. Yes, this is working for us. Now I will look for this. If I got this, multiply and this plus this, it will calculate in the Bodmas rule. If you want to make brushes here, you can add some button here, you can expand this window, and here brushes, anything you can use, sine, cos, tan, log. If you could do that, you can make. This is simple. You just want to import math library and you can works with that in sine, cos, tan, anything here, or you can simply pass sine, cos, and you can calculate by evaluate also. Now this is squaring into 2 and equal multiply by 0.5. as it is giving answer. This is how you can make the calculator. In next video I probably may show you how to make the exe of this file, so you can share with your friend, so you and your friend can run easily in your computer without using Python also. Thank you for watching this video. Let's stay in next video. Thank you.